How to favorite accounts on Instagram. How to favorite accounts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you want to go to the profile of the person that you want to favorite. Say for example, this account. And once you're there, you want to click on the drop down that says following next to the message option. And from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on add to favorites, which has a star next to it. And that's it. It's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add people as favorites in Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.